I picked Mr. Alarcon.
Lagi na si Ana lang yung pinaka-ano. Ay, si Ana, si ano. Si Sam lang yung pinaka-mukhang kay Sir Alarcon.
Good morning.
Wait. Ano to? Ay, pinulot kasi.
Ayan, kita yung dalawa.
Are you familiar with the works of Karl Marx?
Somehow, he's an economist.
Huwag mo kung ano.
Works like what?
Um, he worked on some economic theories.
I mean, what are the pieces of work that he was able to write that you are familiar with?
Um, I'm just, I only know that he formulated some theories about economics.
Are you familiar with Vladimir Ilyich Ulyanov?
Um, no idea, but I think he's a Russian, right? Because of his name.
Are you familiar with Joseph Stalin? How about Mao Zedong?
Yeah, he's a Chinese emperor.
Emperor. Think so eh.
Ho Chi Minh?
Ho Chi Minh is a place in Vietnam.
Ang hirap ng mga tanong.
Jose Maria Sison?
Communist yung mga sinasabi.
Are you familiar with the problem of the government concerning communist insurgency?
Yes, somehow.
What can you say about that?
I can say that the communism, the idea of communism in the Philippines is affecting our country really bad, especially our economics and our politics. For example, our economic stability is going down, and our politics is ruining a lot because of those communists.
Are you familiar with the efforts of the government to ease out the communists from the Philippine political system?
Yes, somehow. I think the Philippine government do some tasks to prevent the communists to enter the borders of the Philippine nation.
What are, if you are familiar with those efforts, can you give me an example of what the government is actually doing?
For example, the in the terrorist Jemaah Islamiyah, the government does some plans to prevent those harmful group of people to enter our borders so that to prevent the killings in our country, to kill some innocent lives.
By the way, the CPP-NPA, the communist movement in our country, do not reside outside of the Philippines. They are within our borders. Thank you.
Thank you.